Are you looking for a small electric air duster? You definitely want to check out Virellix. They sent me this free sample. This is a little box that it comes in. So, and then this is the other side. So it's very nice. It's handy. It's metal. So it's doesn't weigh a lot, but it's, you know, it's not super light, which is nice. And then it has two features that I really like. So the first one would be the air duster. So you can just hold it, and that's what it sounds like. So it sounds like a, you know, like when you dry your hands in the bathroom, sounds kind of like that. And that's what it kind of feels like. So you can use this to even dry your hands if you want. I'm personally going to be really using this to dust my computer keyboard, any electronics that are small. You just want to like dust them off like that. You can do that. And I'm going to put it on my hand just to not blind you. But it has a little button here, and then it'll have the light comes out of here. So let me do it this way. So then you press it with your finger, and then it has that. You press it again, it does this. And you press it again, it does that. And then you press it one more time to turn it off. So very nice. You know, it's handy, portable. You can throw it in your glove compartment, in a toolbox, in a closet somewhere. So whenever you need a little duster, you can use it, and then you also would charge it down here with the cable that it comes with. So, or any other small USB cable you may have. So I hope you check it out, and thank you for the sample, and thank you for watching.